Hello, hello, welcome back to our super simple special craft series here on Red Ted Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple gift wrap or gift card. This is part of our super simple Christmas where I show you 10 lovely super simple Christmas card designs that you can make quickly and in under 5 minutes. In fact, many of them will only take you 2 minutes, and if you're making them on a production line, they are even faster. So come on, let's take a look and see how cute and easy it is to make this gift wrap greeting card. For this final card, we'll need some white light card, or any card actually, doesn't really matter, but I've got this white paper that I've cut down. We'll need some wrapping paper, or you can check out some of the links down below for links where you can print wrapping paper online, and some contrasting paper for the ribbon. And this is super easy. I mean, we're literally going to stick on this bit of wrapping paper onto our card and cut it out. And I think the easiest way to do that is to take my glue stick, put it all over my card. Make sure you do go into the corners. Don't get it onto the wrapping paper though. There we go. Make sure the corners have got some. There we go. And then stick it down as neatly as you can. I love this card because you can make your cards match your gift wrap as well. Although having said that, in our house we have gift sacks. We don't gift wrap, so we don't waste paper at Christmas. The gift sacks are all recycled from old curtains and from the children's old beddings when we do Christmas birthday gift sacks. So really fun. Anyway, so we have the wrapping paper on the front of our card. That actually is quite cute as it is, isn't it? Just wrapping paper, so cute. But we're going to give it a little bow. So we're going to need a straight piece going down the center and a straight piece going across. So let's see if I can cut straight. I'm not very good at cutting super straight. I can cut circles and I can cut hearts, but cutting super straight I find quite hard. And then we're also going to do one across. Does that fit? Yeah. I'm going to use this as a guide so it's the same width. You can have it in the middle, you can have it offset, you can have it to the side. It's really up to you. I'm going to do it quite neat in the middle actually, but you do whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to just add glue to the back. Glue to the back of this one. If you look closely, I haven't actually cut them super neat, but I don't think it matters. There we go, make sure it goes right to the edge. Take your scissors and trim, and your Christmas gift card is finished. And the best thing is it matches your gift wrap that you might have already. Now this took 3 minutes, super quick, super cute card, great for crafting in volume. Just to point out, I have a new paper projects book full of easy crafts like this, but also super cute. I want to show you at the back, we have these little gift bags that you can make from paper. And if you have got some nice gift wrap, they would be perfect to use as little gift bags as well. So this quick and simple greeting card series, not only are they great because you can make lots of cards quickly for the classroom or at home or whatever, they're also great because you can mix and match them with some of the crafts in this new book. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making. I would love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.